To cash out on PrizePicks, follow these steps. Log into your account. Start by logging into your PrizePicks account through the PrizePicks website or mobile app. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, go to the account or profile section. This can be accessed by clicking on your profile icon or your username in the top corner of the page. Go to the withdrawal section. In the account settings, find the withdraw or cash out option. This is where you can manage your balance and initiate withdrawals. Choose your payment method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. PrizePicks supports various payment options such as PayPal and bank transfers. Ensure that your payment method is linked to your PrizePicks account before proceeding. Enter withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw. PrizePicks typically requires you to meet a minimum withdrawal threshold, which is usually $20. Confirm withdrawal. Once you've selected your withdrawal method and entered the amount, confirm the transaction. PrizePicks will process the payment, and it may take several business days to reach your account. Check for withdrawal fees. PrizePicks may charge a small fee for some payment methods. Be sure to check before confirming the withdrawal.